Hello.
Hi.
What are we doing?
We just bought ourselves a project.
I should mention that the odor in here is not ideal. I should note that.
Smoky. I've never seen anything so gross in my life. Like you look up here, it's all gross. And then they had a little kitchen fire over here, which is nasty.
Oh, that ceiling is really nasty.
You know, it's sticky.
Don't touch it.
Okay, pulling out the dishwasher. Look at all the crap behind the dishwasher. Jesus, how do you do that? Anyway, more cleanup. That is really gross. That's what came out of the carburetor. Lovely door.
Oh, yeah.
You get fingerprints all over the wall. Look at that.
Okay, dear.
I found a new grossness.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
I never lifted up. I had the seat out like that, but I never went like that.
There's a lot of work to be done in here. Basically, we have to rip it all out, but look at how does it get that dirty?